It's the start of a new job. We're going to be doing a paver patio. We're going to be demoing some concrete. And we're also going to be installing some grass, some pavers, and it's going to be a good one. So we just got done demoing the concrete. Look at how big those pieces are. They're huge. So right now we're going to switch to the bucket, get rid of the breaker, and start cleaning this up a little bit more, just so that when we bring the buggy, Emiliano went to go get the buggy, and when we have the buggy, it's going to be a lot easier for us to load this onto the trailer. When investing in equipment, you got to invest in the right stuff, right? Don't just invest in equipment just to invest. We started breaking a lot of concrete driveways and concrete patios, and it was taking us way too long to break it up. So we invested in a breaker, and that breaker has changed our life. It's made our life a lot easier. The guys don't hate me, and overall it makes the job go a lot faster. So always invest in your craft. If you're gonna be able to bring in that type of work consistently, it's 110% worth it. Hey guys, we're pulling up to the job site and let's go see the progress. What, it doesn't lift? How far? Move the camion out of the street, Emmy?
And I kept in mind too to leave that spot open, but it's don't lift.
Battery's probably dead, huh? Is this gonna be the, what, the fifth one? I just pulled up to Melissa's job site. We picked up the pavers this morning and we're going to be installing today. So we're going to do a little bit of touch-up work on the base. I gotta go to Haley's project right now as well. We gotta go deliver some coping that we were short on. We were short like 8 pieces. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. We're also going to be leaving the dump trailer here so I can go deliver the other stuff, but I'm going to connect it to my other truck. That way the guys can just unload it and then start installing as they're bringing it in, right? So we're on the hill, so I gotta go move the truck right now, connect to the other truck. That way the trailer doesn't go anywhere. So all the concrete is gone right here. It's all gone, and we're going to be doing the curves, something like this. And that curve, we're going to change it up a little bit. My client's day off, so she's gonna be able to kind of pick and choose how she wants to curve. We're going to have the curved step, but this is the rough layout. Super excited. It looks so good already. We're just pulling up to Melissa's job. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and let's go see what the boys are doing. ¿Qué haciendo, Cheque?
Vamos a echarle pues allá para dejarlo.
Alright, so it's sunny out today. I had to bring out the sun hat. Pretty good. We're getting everything ready. We're cleaning up the job site. Everything's looking pretty good. So let's ask Cheque how this job is coming along. Cheque, ¿qué piensas del trabajo este?
Está muy bien.
¿Sí?
Sí. Vamos a meterlo bien. Vamos a meter la arena ya.
So what he just said, all we need to do is kind of clean up and then done for the day. So watch us clean up. Well, you guys, we have finished Melissa's project. It looks beautiful. Let's go show you guys what we were able to do. So as we come in here, we did this new paver patio. It looks absolutely amazing. We extended it and we did a nice green lawn with a sailor course all the way around. Some DG. These two steps, we did them with bullnose finish. Looks super good. There's no better feeling than collecting the final check, because that means that your client is satisfied and happy. So I am super excited and happy. The boys did a fantastic job. We did 2 gates for the dog run, some DG. It was a smaller project, but these small projects I love because we're in and out. They're not too complicated, and overall we made some money. Client is happy, my guys are happy, and I'm super happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your guys' support. And as always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.